Turkesterone is an ecdysteroid, which is a hormonal steroid that is found in plants. Ecdysteroids can be compared to testosterone due to their ability to induce growth. However, unlike testosterone, ecdysteroids do not bind to androgen receptors and therefore do not cause any steroidal side effects, such as gynecomastia and hair loss. Although stimulating different anabolic pathways to androgenic steroids, turkesterone seems to be the most anabolic, muscle-building out of all the ecdysteroids. Turkesterone supplement is an analogue of 20-hydroxyecdysone. Moreover, turkesterone and ecdysterone are the two major ecdysteroids found in Aegyga turkestanica, each accounting for 0.2 to 0.4% of the dry weight of aerial parts. In today's video, we'll talk about ecdysteroid, how it works, and its benefits. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our videos in future. Also hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload one. Let's get started. How does ecdysterone work? Ecdysterone promotes lean mass gains via estrogen receptor beta activation. This is noteworthy since ERB signaling is involved in the regulation of skeletal muscle growth and regeneration by stimulating anabolic pathways, activating satellite cells, and modulating immune function. Furthermore, ecdysterone has also been suggested to support muscle protein synthesis via direct or indirect stimulation of the PI3K, a KT signaling pathway. Most importantly, ecdysterone does not interact with the androgen receptor, meaning it will not cause suppression or any other unwanted side effects commonly found with AS usage. Researchers found that ecdysterone supplementation in healthy human subjects resulted in no elevation in biomarkers that would indicate liver or kidney toxicity from ecdysterone supplementation, providing evidence that ecdysterone is not only effective but safe. Increased muscle mass. Enhanced muscle mass is one of the most well-known benefits of turkesterone. This supplement does this by enhancing the muscle's leucine intake and optimizing the mRNA translation process. The resulting muscle protein synthesis helps bring about an increase in muscle mass, prevents muscle breakdown. One of the most annoying side effects of going on a cut is losing muscle mass. When your body is in a caloric deficit, it often turns to not only burning fat, but also burning muscle in order to meet its caloric needs. Thankfully, however, with a health supplement like turkesterone, this effect is reduced. By increasing nitrogen retention in the muscles, similar to anabolic steroids, it's far easier to retain muscle mass during a cut and still burn fat. Reduces fatigue during exercise. Turkesterone, otherwise known as ecdysterone, increases ATP production in the body, similar to creatine. ATP, otherwise known as adenosine triphosphate, is a molecule our body uses for storing and transferring energy between cells, which makes it absolutely critical for having explosive strength and endurance. Improves our body's stress response. Cortisol, the main stress hormone in the body, has a ton of health detriments such as decreased muscle mass, increased fat mass, lower quality sleep, and much more. In fact, cortisol is probably the single worst hormone a bodybuilder could have when it exists in excess. Turkesterone reduces the cortisol in your body by decreasing your stress sensitivity, which will not only improve your physical fitness, muscle growth rate, and fat loss rate, but it will also improve your peace of mind. Turkesterone dosage. Even a small dose will help increase your muscle mass, improve your mood, and reduce your fatigue during exercise. Anywhere from 30 to 50 mg of turkesterone per day is the ideal dosage. This dosage is for adults, and the capsule should be taken with a meal. Don't try ingesting the capsule on an empty stomach, or else complications may arise. Here are the user-suggested turkesterone dosage guidelines. Beginner, 30 mg per day. Intermediate, 40 mg per day. Expert, 50 mg per day. Anecdotal evidence suggests no visible differences between users taking 30 mg and those taking 50 mg of turkesterone per day. Turkesterone cycle. The typical cycle of turkesterone lasts between 8 to 12 weeks. The upper spectrum of that range is for expert bodybuilders who have been taking supplements for years. However, the fact that turkesterone isn't androgenic means you can take it indefinitely. Still, we suggest sticking with an 8 to 12-week cycle. Analyze how your body responds to the supplement during this period and compare it with the gains you have achieved. If you're getting satisfactory results without experiencing any side effects mentioned above, continue taking this supplement. Turkesterone side effects. Alongside the muscle-building effects of turkesterone, it also induces multiple beneficial side effects. Turkesterone can help optimize hormonal levels and strengthen your immune system, which is essential for any active individual. Ecdysteroids are also promoted as being healthy for the liver and intestines, as well as being able to lower cholesterol and regulate blood glucose. There is research to suggest that turkesterone also has protective effects on brain health through enhancing neurotransmitter activity. However, it is important to avoid taking turkesterone on an empty stomach as it can cause nausea, which is a common side effect of capsulated supplements. If you enjoyed the video, quickly smack the like button and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you do not miss our next videos.